Sometimes we all take a phone into the toilet. But it is a very dangerous habit. You can expose yourself and others to germs like Salmonella, E. coli, if you wipe your bum then pick up your phone. You may as well not bother washing your hands, because all the bacteria you put on your phone will end up back on your hands, hygiene expert Dr. Lisa Ackerley said. So what we all should do? Dr. Ron Cutler, Director of Biomedical Science Degrees at Queen Mary's University London, said, basically, you just shouldn't take your phone into the toilet if you are at all concerned about the transfer of viruses and fecal contamination. He said that levels of contamination vary widely, depending on where the toilet is. A small office may not be a problem, but a hospital or a cruise ship where viruses may be circulating are different. Remember, viruses transfer not only by hands. It is the main way, but not the only one. Spray could travel around 6 feet from the flush, Dr. Ackerley said. That's why you shouldn't leave your toothbrush close to the toilet, and put your phone down on the toilet roll holder, or any shelf that might be there. By the way, germs could survive up to a couple of days on your phone. Phones heat up a little bit, giving bacteria a nice warm environment, Dr. Ron Cutler said. If people handle sweets and leave a sticky coating on the phone, that's an even better place for bacteria. So don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water, and leave the phone in your bag before visiting the toilet.